We'll be discussing how to render the content which we have added into the databases, and how do we render it. Before we do that, in the previous video we have added customers, products and tags, but we also need to add one more class or one more table which is about the orders. So order is a customer is trying to order a product and which belongs to a particular tag. So let's write a class definition for the orders so that we also have a orders table. So in order to do that, let's call class order, and once again you can inherit from models.model. So models dot model, and it ends with colon, and you can copy once again to make it a little quicker. So let me copy this line, and you can just paste the same here. So here in order we would like to have various fields. One of those is say status of the order. So we would like to give what is the status of the order. So here we would like to have just like how we had various choices for products, we would like to have choices for the status. So mention that here, and create that status tuple here. So we could have various types of status. For example, like we could have a pending, out of delivery, delivered status. So let's write all those into here. So let me open one more tuple inside the tuple. So let me call the first choice as pending. So, and the second put a comma, and the next choice as out of delivery. So everything is a string, you place it everything and in strings. So you can copy these and paste it here, and the comma, and the third choice for status is delivered. So we can once again copy the same and place it after comma. So these are the three choices which we would like to give under orders. So choices, we are giving the option as status. So as we all know that we have customers, we have created a customer table, we have created a product table, and this product table has connected to tags, various tags, which is a many to many relation, whereas the orders contain, order is a relation between the customers and the products, a customer ordering a particular product. So we need to bring in both the tables inside the orders class. So that's where we use foreign keys. So we call the customer as follows. So models dot foreign key, and we call the customer class here, which means that we are using the customer table. So mention the null as true, and also on delete option. So there is a on delete option when you are using the foreign key. So set that as models dot set underscore null. So the same thing you should also do for the products, because order is also related to products, not only the customer. So we have product, and the product we need to call the product class. So you can mention here the product class, and keep it everything as it is. So you can save this. So we have created the order class. So let us see how it appears in our admin panel. So let's go to the admin panel and click on enter the admin, and you can see, okay, we have entered 2 slash, so enter admin. So now here, so we did not enter in the admin.py, therefore you're not able to see here. So let's whatever class we have created, we need to enter into the admin and also migrate it. These are the two steps which we have missed. So let's go to admin. So here just enter that you have a class called as order, and also save it. Before that, you also need to migrate it. So let's use make migrations. So you can see a new migrations has happened here, and also click on migrate, so that it gets migrated. And also finally you run the server to see the changes appearing in the admin panel. So just go to the link and click on the admin panel. So now you are able to see the orders. So here you can place multiple orders. You can call the customer. So we have entered two customers earlier. So, and also choose the product which you would like to add, and also give the status of the product. So I'm saving it as. So once again, you can see the order is mentioned as follows. You can give a class name. You can write the method and change how you would like to appear this, either order of a product or order of a, it's up to you how you would like to mention this. So I'm leaving it as it is. So let's add few more orders. So add order, click the second any other customer. You can add some other orders and give the status of the order. So in this way you can make multiple orders. And so so this is one more order. So and mention the status. So this is what we need to know, we need to have before we actually create or render this data into HTML pages. So in order to properly render these pages, we will be starting from the very basic of creating a simple HTML page. So in order to do that, so let me create first a HTML page called as dashboard.html. So we already know when we create a so it's already existing, so we don't need to create it. So let's just go there. So let's see what we have. So as of now we have a simple content here. So let's see the content once again. So let's go to the dashboard.html and see what do we have. So we have this content. So we want like to render into this page the whole content or the customer information, product information, all those. So we would also be creating a product .html file. So let's create also the product. We don't have as of now a products.html file. So let me uh, create a products.html file. So we have created that. So here once again you can extend it, you can extend from the base.html, but our main learning aspect is to access the products. So let me create here a table, and so let me enter few items. So we can access the product. So before we enter, before we access here, first we need to send the data to this HTML. So let me access this HTML. So in the beginning I just keep this as okay, not even table. Maybe I'll just place with an h1 tag that this is just a products. And also maybe just like how we created for dashboard, I'll also place here a link to go back to the home page. So now let me just so if we render it, we similar to dashboard, we can also get products, but few more changes we need to do. So if you go to views, uh, or here you need to enter the products, you keep a comma here, and so save it. And also so products.html, so you can mention that here in URLs that you are going to use products.html, but that will be mentioned only in the views. So this is a products function under views. We need to create that. Underneath it you need to save it as a products.html or render into products.html. So let's go to views and create a simple method similar to how we have created for dashboard, and name that as products. And now you can render it into, so we are not giving any context dictionary. Later we will give context dictionary and render the content. So that's it. So if you go and see the output of this, so now, so even then we haven't created this link, so hyperlink. So let's go to our so this is the main page. So go to home page. So if you go to home page, uh, here you need to enter, yeah, not here. So let's, in the nav bar, if you go to nav bar here, you need to enter this link for products, so that the products link will be activated. So products, so you can give the spelling right, save it, and now you can go back to this and just render it, and you can click on this. Now you have products, you can come back home. So this is similar to dashboard, you can come back. So now we would like to put the content here. Okay, the dashboard containing the list of customers, the orders they have made, everything, and also the products, what all products you have in the database, what category it belongs to, all this information we would like to place this. So that will be done in the next video.